If a CCTV camera can allegedly catch a police officer stuffing cash or drugs down his pants during a raid, then why are we told that a senior police officer in court must never be questioned on certain issues? Today on the Hot Seat SA, we are not attacking anyone. We are asking one simple question: why does rank automatically equal integrity? Because in South Africa, we have seen uniforms lie, we have seen badges abuse power, and we have seen investigations collapse under the weight of irregularities. Yet in one of the biggest trials in this country, the Senzo Meua made a case. Whenever the defense team presses Brigadier Bongani Gininda about investigative flaws, the courtroom atmosphere shifts. Objections rise, warnings are issued, and sometimes the message feels clear. You cannot speak about a senior police officer like that. That's Judge Rata. But outside the courtroom, reality looks very different. On 20 February 2026, a viral video surfaced. It allegedly shows a South African police officer during a dagger raid in the Western Cape. Inside a bedroom, in front of a visible CCTV camera, a bag filled with what appears to be a large sum of money. The footage allegedly captures the officer dipping his hands into the bag repeatedly, placing cash into his pockets, stuffing money under his jersey, even placing wads of cash down the back of his pants. A marked SAPS vehicle linked to Stenburg Police Station was visible outside. Western Cape Police spokesperson FC van Wyk confirmed the matter is still under investigation and stated that SAPS doesn't tolerate corruption. Important, this is an ongoing investigation. No findings have been made yet. But here's the uncomfortable question. If a CCTV camera was not there, what would the official report have said? Let that sink in.
A lot of ganja.
Yeah.
Oh. Mag je gewoon, man?
It's more. Right, it's Jaffa. Here's Jaffa. Now there's a lot of Jaffa. Yeah, pick it up. Please, I'm here, man. I see the roll ahead.
Put the income on. Yeah, this is already come. Hey, you are rude with us, so now we're going to show you the police. Now we're going to show you the police. Mama, this is Mama.
Now, let's shift to the courtroom of the Senzo Meyiwa murder case.
And in fact, I'm just wondering what is the purpose of this exercise here.
Brigadier Bongani Kininda is presented as a senior investigator, an experienced officer, someone who knows the law. When the defense team challenges evidence handling, investigative timelines, alleged inconsistencies, the tone often changes. The idea is implied that, be careful, he is a senior officer. But here is the legal principle. In court, credibility is not based on rank. It is based on evidence. A junior officer can tell the truth. A senior officer can make a mistake. A decorated official like Brigadier Kininda can act improperly too. That is not defamation. That is legal reality. South Africa has oversight bodies like IPID for a reason. Because history has shown police corruption exists. Evidence tampering has happened before. Abuse of authority is not fiction. Imagine if Gwabeni had CCTV cameras inside his house at the hostel. So when a defense attorney presses the investigator hard, that is not disrespect, that is due process. If a CCTV camera can allegedly expose misconduct during a routine raid, why should cross-examination in a murder trial be treated as offensive? The defense is not there to protect reputations. They are there to test the state's case. If the state's case is strong, it will survive questioning. If it collapses under questioning, that is not the defense's fault. That is a weakness in the investigation. The danger here is perception. When the public sees a viral video of alleged police misconduct and then sees courtroom protection of investigators, it creates tension, not because people hate the police, but because people demand accountability. Justice must not only be done, it must also be seen to be done. And if questioning an investigator is treated as an attack, then people begin to wonder, are we protecting the badge or protecting the truth? Let me be clear, this channel is not declaring anyone guilty. The Western Cape matter is under investigation. Brigadier Kininda has not been convicted of wrongdoing, but the principle stands. Rank does not equal righteousness. The Constitution does not say trust because of title. It says test the evidence, challenge the process, prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. And that is what justice requires. This is the Hot Seat Essay. Let us meet on the next video.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat. Ticking clocks and the sweat so